Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. So today is kind of a weird day. It's Tuesday, June 4th. I just dropped a round of mystery boxes off at the post office. Thank you so much to everybody who has ordered the mystery boxes. I'm getting them shipped as quickly as possible. Takes a little bit to pack them, so it takes a few days. I also added a subscription option to the website, which I will link down below, that will let you kind of claim your box ahead of time. I had a couple people ask me if they can reserve a box for next month. So I added the subscription option. For the first 10 people who sign up for a subscription, I will be giving them a free month. So you will get a free box if you sign up for a subscription. All of that information is down below. Anyway, so this is not the video that I planned on making today, but it's something that came up in my Facebook group that I feel like should be addressed. And it's regarding an email that somebody posted that looks like it's from Poshmark support. This is what it looks like. So it looks like it's from Poshmark support. Someone asked them if you're allowed to sell used swimwear on Poshmark, which you are. That has been allowed for a few years now. I've been on there since 2014. That's one of the first changes I remember hearing about from Poshmark, because they used to not allow used bras or used swimwear to be sold, and then they changed that. So now you can sell used bras and used swimwear on Poshmark. So this person emailed them asking if they could sell used swimwear, and the person emailed back from Posh support and said, "Thank you for reaching out to us. As you are aware, Poshmark is a marketplace for fashion and accessories. Kindly note that used swimsuit, singular, does not fall under our selling guidelines, and request you to not list the items which are not supported by our policy." And policy is capitalized and spelled P-O-I-L-I-C-Y. For more details on what may not be listed on Poshmark, please see our prohibited items policy. And then it has a bit link. You see that? The bit link? Okay, so Bitly is a website where you can take a link and you put it into Bitly, and it shortens the link. And then it also allows you to track the clicks on that link. But as you can see, whenever you do a Bitly link, you can't tell where this link is going. So if you do a Bitly link, you don't know what you're clicking on. You don't know, because somebody commented under it and said, "Oh, well, it goes to the Poshmark website." Yes, but this is you going through a third-party website to get to Poshmark's website, and I don't really see the point or reason why Poshmark would put that in their email. Why would they need to track if somebody clicked from an email to go to their website? That makes absolutely no sense to me, and there's no reason that these links would be bit links, okay? So there is just all kinds of things wrong with this email that make me think that this is a fake email, that this is not from Poshmark support. Red flags, obviously the spelling and grammar. Every email over the past 5 years that I've got from Poshmark support has been completely professional, spelled right, grammar correct, everything. So, and then the person signed it Best Badre. And somebody commented under it and said, "Oh, well, his name is Badre." That doesn't necessarily mean that he doesn't speak English because his name is Badre. There's no reason there should be bit links in this email. There's no reason that there should be spelling and grammar errors in this email. There's just so many things wrong with this email, I can't even tell you. So I just wanted to make this video to inform you that if you get an email like this from somebody claiming to be Poshmark, do not click on the links. Don't click on the links. Don't respond to it. delete it, don't have anything to do with it. If you do click on the links, you need to go change your password immediately, because this is not something that I see coming from Poshmark. It doesn't look anything like an email that I've ever gotten from Poshmark. There's no reason that there should be bit.ly links in the email, because there's just not. Like, Poshmark does not need to be putting bit.ly links in their emails. There's no reason for that. And you know, before you click on this, like, you don't know where this is going to take you if you click on one of these links. So don't click the links. I just don't see Poshmark doing that. And then there's also this random 0 after, see that? After the paragraph. So there's just all kinds of stuff that should not be in this email. And if you get an email like this, definitely do not click on it. I just wanted to bring this up because this kind of caught me off guard today, that somebody emailed claiming to be Poshmark support, and the whole thing is weird. Like, the entire thing is just very weird. Also, like I said, used swimwear is allowed to be sold on Poshmark, but just don't click any weird links from your emails, not just from Poshmark, but from anything. And if you start seeing like weird spelling, weird grammar in the email, definitely just delete the email. And you know, even if this would be a legit email from Poshmark support, it's not worth risking your account or your information to click on these links to see where they go, because it's a bit.ly link and you don't know if it goes to Poshmark's website or if it's going to take you somewhere else and hack your information or anything like that. I mean, I'm no computer expert, but I try to stay away from clicking strange links in emails. But anyway, I just wanted to make you guys aware that this was going on so that you can kind of keep an eye out for it and kind of learn how to spot these phishing emails and how to be aware if it's a potential scam. So if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.